All right, today we're going to evaluate composite functions. Composite functions are like a function, and then we get an answer and put it into another function. So this says right here, g of f of 0.25. We always start either the rightmost or the innermost, whichever one we have. Sometimes we have an inner one. So this says evaluate f of 0.25, which means put 0.25 into f of a. So I will get f of 0.25 equals the square root of 0.25. So I want to evaluate that. The square root of 0.25 is 0.5. So now I take this answer and I put it in for g. So it's going to be, so g of 0.5 equals 1 over 0.5. And 1 over 0.5 equals 2. If you didn't know that, calculator. Or you could do long division, right? 1 divided by 0.5, move the decimal over, move that decimal over, 5 goes into 10 twice. So my answer is 2. F of g of 10. We're going to put 10 in for g first. So I have 10 squared minus 7 times 10. 10 squared is 100. 7 times 10 is 70. 100 minus 70 is 30. Then we're going to take that and we're going to put it into f. F is 3 times the square root of 3 times 30 plus 10 running out of room plus 2. So I do innermost first. 3 times 10, I do that before plus, so 3 times 10 is 90. So now I get 3 times the square root of 90 plus 10. Outside the square root is a plus 2. Gotta do inside the square root. Square root of 90 plus 10 is going to be, so we got 3 times the square root of 100 plus 2. 2. Square root of 100 is 10. 3 times 10 plus 2. I do times first. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 30 dose. 32. Oh, I got to type it in. I was going to go, okay, let's go. 32. Boom. All right, now I'm going to do one more. So g of f of negative 9. So put negative 9 in for f. So this is going to be 3 times negative 9 minus 8. 3 times negative 9 is negative 27 minus 8. Negative 27 minus 8 is negative 35. So now I take negative 35, put it in for g. So square root of 14 minus negative 35. Then on the outside, minus 10. 14 minus negative 35, same thing as 14 plus 35, so that's going to be 49. Square root of 49 minus 10. Square root of 49 is 7. 7 minus 10 is negative 3. Check it out. And we got it. So hopefully those examples will be enough. Let me know if you have, oh wait, maybe we should do this one. Look at this. This looks nasty. F of h of 0.5. So we start at the innermost first. So this is going to be 5 minus 2 times 0.5 over 0.5 minus 1. I'm going to simplify the top. I do multiplication first, so negative 2 times 0.5 is negative 1. So on top, it's 5 minus 1. On the bottom, 0.5 minus 1 is negative 0.5. On top, 5 minus 1 is 4. On the bottom, it's still negative 0.5. 4 divided by negative 0.5 is negative 8. So take negative 8, put that in for f. I get 1/2 times negative 8 squared. Notice when it's negative, I want to put it inside parentheses so I know if it turns out to be positive or negative or not. And minus 10. I do my exponent first. Negative 8 squared is 64. So I have 1/2 times 64 minus 10. I got a times and a minus. So I do times first. 1/2 times 64 is 32. 32 minus 10 is 22. Answer should be 22. See if we did it right. All right, so like I said, that should be good enough. I mean, this is just same thing. Put 4 in for y, 4 in for x for g of x. Get an answer, put that answer in for y for h of y. Good luck. Let me know if you have any problems.